Today I'm at the Bouw Art factory near Riga, Latvia, and behind me we have got 3 different prefab home models, all going to different locations and all offering something a little bit different, from floor plan to design to upgrades. So if we look right here, we have got the Nordic Iceland. What separates the Nordic Iceland apart from the Nordic on the far side, which is likely already on the channel, is some of the different options that come with it, including the skylights. So we're going to go in this one. Beside it, we have got the Tromso, and obviously this is just a totally different floor plan. I'm going to check that one out as well, because it's not very often I get 2 different models around the same size right beside each other that I can go in at the exact same time. So I figured, hey, why not do a 2-for-1? And that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to start in the Nordic Iceland, and then I'm going to make my way over to the Tromso. Enough chit chat, let's just do it. One of the standout things that I've noticed on the homes from Bouw Art is they have the look figured out. And that really shouldn't come as any surprise, because Bouw translates to build, so the name is literally Build Art. You can't have a name like that and build something that doesn't look cool. So yeah, there you have it. A little bit of a, I don't know, call it a history lesson. Not really though. What we're looking at here is the wood siding on the Tromso, and they've got the wood accent on the front covered porch section. You know, if you've been watching the channel, I like the dark siding up against a wood accent. So I am a big fan of that look. And then going back this way, we've got the Nordic Iceland. What makes this the Iceland, or one of the things, is the fact that it has the skylights up above. There are a few more differentiating features inside as well that we will look at. Now, they are working to get these homes finished right now. I could have left them because they're not quite complete, but I feel like that would have been a waste because they haven't been on the channel before. So why miss an opportunity to show something that hasn't been on the channel just because it isn't fully complete? I'm going to see a complete home this afternoon, but you know, I want to show as much of what's available as possible. So coming around the back, we'll take a quick look. As far as size goes, the Nordic Iceland is 40 square meters, which works out to around 430 square feet. And then the Tromso right here is 47, which is just over 500 square feet. I don't have the dimensions handy, but looking from this angle, it appears that the Tromso is a little bit wider, and they look to be about the same length. Could be wrong there, but I'll bring up a floor plan at the end. That way we know for sure. There's people working in here. I have been told I can go in and have a look. But yeah, let's do it. So entering in the front, you turn right and you're in the living room. One of the things that you'll notice is they've got the wood accent on the ceiling with the built-in LED lights. That's going to look cool when it's hooked up to power and finished. Coming around this way, you'll notice windows on every side. No sliding glass door in this one. The kitchen is going to be back on this wall right here. And just imagine countertop. You've got the plumbing coming in over there. Looks like the oven's going to be right here. That's going to be the backsplash. Not sure what that is over there. And that is going to be it for the kitchen, because obviously we've got more windows on this side. If I had to guess, I would guess that this home is going on a property that's going to have a big view, strictly based on the amount of windows in here. Let's check out what they've got in the rest of the home. Tucking into the bathroom, they've got a full tile bathroom. Going to have a vanity right there, toilets there obviously. More of a shower stall in this one. And then there you're going to have a washer dryer with the hot water tank up above. At the back of the home is the bedroom. So this is very similar to the Nordic model that I already toured. Different window in the bedroom, and you've got the accent on the ceiling again, as well as a bit of a chandelier, which is a nice touch that you don't often see in a bedroom. Let this guy get back to work, and we will move over to the Tromso. All right, I haven't been in the Tromso yet. I know it's called the Tromso. I know it's 1 bedroom, and I know it is 500-ish square feet, 47 square meters to be exact. It looks like this one isn't as far along as the Nordic Iceland, but we're still going in because we're here. So at the front of the home, it looks as though, oh, okay, this is totally different. We've got the front living room. You've got the sliding glass door out the front, nice triangle window up above. So this is going to be the living room here. That is likely, I'm going to have to bring up the floor plan because I'm kind of stumped. Bedroom in this back corner right here, and coming down to the back of the home, this is going to be the bathroom. So imagine, if you will, all of the bathroom stuff in this bathroom. Looks like we've got plumbing there, more plumbing at the back. That's probably going to be a shower back there, I would guess. This is likely going to be the vanity right here, and the toilet will be in the middle. Yep, I think I'm right on that one. So one last look at this floor plan. I'm going to bring up both so people can have it clear in their mind, but again, looks like we've got lots of lighting going in up here. Kind of a unique chance to look behind the walls so you can see the power running through. And yeah, kind of cool. Let's check out the floor plans though. Here's a look at the floor plans, starting with the Nordic Iceland. Always a great time to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It's free for you and does help me out a lot. According to this plan, we're looking at 4 meters wide by 10 meters long for a total footprint of 40 square meters, which works out to 430 square feet. The Nordic Iceland has a front living room and kitchen with windows on every side. The bathroom is in the middle and the bedroom is at the back. Pretty efficient use of 430 square feet, if you ask me. The Tromso shown was a custom, but I do want to show the original plan so we can compare it to the Nordic Iceland. Biggest difference being the end of the home. If you're the kind of person who likes the look and function of a covered porch built in the factory that is an extension of a home's roof, likely makes more sense to go with the Tromso. Again, front living room and kitchen, bathroom in the middle, and finally bedroom is at the back. Both cool plans with similar but very different exterior looks. There you have it, folks. A couple different options available from Bouw Art here in Latvia. We've got the Nordic Iceland over here. We've got the Tromso behind me. And if I had to pick right now, just from the exterior, I think I'm leaning Tromso. Let me know what you like in the comments. That is it for me here today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.